How to add music to Facebook post. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to a post within the Facebook app on iPhone or Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to add music to a Facebook post, the first thing we need to do is open up the Facebook app, then select the plus symbol in the top right of Facebook and select post. Now we can create any type of post we want. It can include text, photos, and videos, anything like that. I'm just going to type test. And then before we select post in the top right, swipe the bottom menu from right to left until you see the music symbol and select it. And now we just need to find the music that we want to add to our Facebook post. You could search at the top for artists, songs, anything like that. I'm just going to search one of my favorite artists. Once you find a song, you can listen to it by selecting the play button to the right of it, or just select it, and then it will add it to your post. Once you see the music added to the bottom, select post in the top right, and then there you go. It'll post with the music. All right, so that's how you add music to a Facebook post. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets. Thank you so much for watching.